Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a double cut crease eyeshadow tutorial. So if you are not hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know, and let's go straight into the video. So after moisturizing, the next thing I do, I usually go in with my primer since I produce so much all over my face. And today, since my eyes are going to be pretty dramatic, I wanted my brows to be as natural as I can get. So I'm just filling it in. I'm not drawing out the brows. After I'm cleaning my brows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, like that's my lower brows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm still using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I use it and tap and blend so that my shadow will be pigmented and it will show up. So for the first color of the shadow, I'm pretty going to use this flat brush to just carve out my crease. That brush wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I went in with a smaller angle brush to cover my crease. So to blend the edges, I went in with a lighter shade of brown, using a circular motion with less force. So to cut my first crease, I still went back in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, still in the shade Fawn. So I'm using a purple eyeshadow today. So I'm using a very flat brush to carve out the crease, like the second crease, so that I'll get the shape I want. So I take my time too, since I wanted that line, and I'm using a flat angle brush. So I'm going to leave a space in the middle. So I'm going to put the shimmer color in the middle to create a halo effect. So I now put the shimmer in the middle. I pat it in so that it will show up. I don't drag. I try not to drag so that it will be less pigmented. I pat so that I'll have more pigments on the shadow. So I go in to blend out the edges. Use wipes to make the edges a little sharper than it used to. Line my brows. And the next step, I didn't know, I just used the liner to spoil my distance, so I didn't want to show you that side. So I'm now putting in my foundation, blending it out. I'm using the Ezekiel Even True foundation in the shade 25. I'm using a classic foundation brush for this, and we are dabbing it in. I try not to drag. Please blend in your neck too. LA Girl Pro Conceal. So that LA Girl Pro Conceal is the multi-purpose. So if you're a beginner in makeup, I advise you go for it. I'm using it as my highlighter too. So I see it's multi-purpose. I'm blending out with my brush. I don't even know what I was discussing here, because like the gist was hot. So I apply it beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, all the places I want light to reflect on. So I'm now setting it in immediately with my setting powder. And I'm contouring with the Avo Professional Powder Palette. I don't know why I didn't show it here. But that's the palette I used to contour. I'm using a circular motion so that there will be no harsh lines. And my hairline too, since I don't want to look like I have a mask on, I'm always contouring my hairline. Even though I like the shape of my forehead, I contour my hairline to avoid looking like I have a mask on. So I'm putting on blush. You guys know I'm a blush girl. After that, I'm doing reverse contour. I do this so that my cheekbone will pop up. I have kind of round face, so I do this so that my cheekbone will be more pronounced. So I'm now contouring my nose with a smaller brush. And guys, brushes you use for your nose is actually very important. Like I've said this before, but the brushes can make your nose pretty or make it bad. So I'm putting the whole of my face with my finishing powder. And I'm putting that my signature touch to it. I'm lining my waterline with a black liner, then smoking it out with a pink eyeshadow. Setting everything in with the classic mix and fix setting spray. When it's half dry, I apply my blush. I don't know why I didn't show those products I used today. I don't know what I was thinking. I applied my highlights on my nose, blending the bridge of my nose. I blend in, and I think that was applied my lipstick too. I wanted doing an ombre lips today. It's been long I did that. And that was pretty much the whole thing. So guys, tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Don't forget to subscribe to the next video. Bye.